Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Khairul Amri from Research Institute for Marine Fisheries, Jakarta. In this seminar, I'd like to present our paper. The title is Some Biological Parameters of Yellowfin Tuna from the Henland Fisheries in the Eastern part of the Banda Sea. Regarding Indonesian tuna resources, Indonesia is considered one of the largest tuna and tuna-like producers globally, contributing more than 16% in 2015. The Banda Sea is the primary potential fishing ground of tuna. Ambon, Banda Neira, and Seram is one of the biggest landing sites in the eastern part. This study intended to investigate some biological aspect and population parameter of yellowfin tuna from Henland fisheries in the eastern part of the Banda Sea waters. The information is expected to provide some input to the management of tuna resources in this particular area. In this section, I will explain the methodology of this research, data collection and analysis, the catch and effort data from Port Authority PPN Ambon from 2012 to 2017, the biological data, length, weight, gonad maturity, were obtained during several surveys conducted in Masohi, Seram Island from January to October 2016. In the map, we can see the Henland tuna fishing ground in eastern part of Banda Sea. Analysis was carried out on catch dynamic, biological aspect, and population dynamic. Result and discussion. Henland fleets in Banda Sea characterized by wooden type of fiberglass boat of less than 5 GT, operated by single or two person. They mostly dependent on fats and targeting large tuna destined for export. It's above 25 kg. As what you can see in this diagram, Pursein dominates the fleet composition, followed by Henland. Main tuna catch by gear are more than 3/4 was from Pursein, and Henland is 4%. Tuna catch dynamics show that fluctuation of catch. The pattern, especially from 2015 onwards, drastic reduction in catch, probably related to strict law enforcement of IUU fishing. Average monthly production all gears from Henland fleets based in Ambon. The peak fishing season happened in the third quarter of the year, between July to September, occurred at the beginning of the northwest monsoon. The monthly catch rate from Henland saw a relatively stable trend in the year. Biological aspect of the sex ratio between female and males was unbalanced, where most of samples were found to be mature. Monthly size distribution saw that length of sample distribute size from 65 to 152 cm force length. Estimated live weight range from 6.12 to 148.92 kilograms. Both females and males possess allometric growth. Combined plot of length at first capture and length of first maturity, the average lies at 50% of yellowfin tuna caught by Henland was 107.2 cm force length. Length at first maturity was estimated at 106.7 cm force length. The test confirmed all yellowfin tuna, regardless of the sex, possess allometric growth, with exponent parameter above 3.5 and within a 95% confidence interval. Biological parameter. Growth rate estimated at 0.33 per year, which indicate a slow growth pattern. Asymptotic length infinity 159 cm for length. Total mortality rate was 1.04 per year. Natural mortality rate expected 0.55 per year. Fishing mortality rate was 0.49 per year. Exploitation rate is 0.47. It means the exploitation level of yellowfin tuna from the Heinlein fishery in the eastern part of the Banda Sea has to reach its optimum. From this research, we can conclude that catch landed of Heinlein in Ambon was dominated by yellowfin tuna. The stock condition was allegedly reaching its optimum level, characterized by a slightly higher length at first count than a length at first maturity, and the estimated utilization rate was below. Although there is room for increasing the effort, it should be maintained at the current level due to the precautionary approach. So, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.